What's your name?
My name is Gladys. What's your name?
My name is Nandini.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Where is your school?
My school is at SMP Negeri 4 Bandar. Where do you live?
I live on Soekarnata Street, number 48. What grade are you?
I am in 8th grade.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister. Can you tell me about your daily activity?
Yes, first I wake up and then I get up. After that I take a shower and then I brush my teeth and then I wash my face. After that I get dressed and then I have breakfast. After that I go to school. Next I study and then I have lunch at the canteen. After that I study. Next I play at break and then I go back home. Next I take a shower and then I get dressed. After that I comb my hair and then I watch TV. Next I have dinner. After that I read a book and then I make my bed. Finally I sleep. Can you tell me about his daily activities?
Yes. First, he wakes up and gets up. Next, he takes a bath. After that, he has breakfast. Next, he goes to school by foot. After that, he studies. And then, he playing at break. Next, he prayer. After that, he studies. Next, he goes back home. And then, he takes a bath. After that, he prayer. Next, he watches TV. And then, he reads a book. After that, he washes his face and brushes his teeth. Finally, he sleeps.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, please. How much is that clock?
Which one?
The white one.
It's 20,000 rupees.
Oh, it's so expensive. Can I make a bargain?
Yes, please. How much do you want?
How about 40,000 rupees?
No problem.
Okay, I'll take it. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day too. Would you like to go to the cinema this Saturday?
I'd like to, but I have to finish my homework. Would you like to come to my home tomorrow?
Yes, I'd love to. Thanks.
Which one do you like more? The picture or the sprayer?
I like the sprayer more.
Why do you like the sprayer more?
I like the sprayer more because the sprayer is better than the picture. Do you like pop?
Yes, I do. I like it a lot.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. What kind of movie do you like?
I like horror film.
Who's your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Ed Sheeran. What's his name?
His name is Hafiz.
How old is he?
He is 14 years old.
What grade is he?
He is in 8th grade. What grade are you?
I'm at the 9th grade. Would you like to go swim with me?
Yes, I'd really like to go swim with you. Would you like to sing with me?
I'd like to, but I have to take a shower.
Which one do you like better? The bag or the chair?
I like the bag better.
Why do you like the bag better?
I like the bag better because the bag is prettier than the chair.
Do you like rap music?
No, I don't. I don't like it all.
Which one do you prefer? The cupboard or the fan?
I prefer the fan.
Why do you prefer the fan?
I prefer the fan because the fan is prettier the cupboard.
With whom do you sleep? With whom do you sleep?
I sleep on.
Where do you wake up?
I wake up at my bedroom. Do you set the table?
No, I don't. I don't see it ever.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I do. I take shower. Do you have breakfast this morning?
No, I don't.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have. When do you get up?
Okay. You may close the conversation. Nice?
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.